Difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy. Monetary policy is a financial tool that is used by the central banks in regulating the flow of money and the interest rates in an economy. Fiscal policy is a financial tool that is used by the central government in managing tax revenues and policies related to expenditure for the benefit of the economy. Monetary policy is managed by Central Bank of an economy. Fiscal policy is managed by Ministry of Finance of an economy. Monetary policy measures the interest rates applicable for lending money in the economy. Fiscal policy measures the capital expenditure and taxes of an economy. The focus area of monetary policy is the stability of an economy. The focus area of fiscal policy is growth of an economy. In monetary policy, exchange rates improve when there is higher interest rates. In fiscal policy, it has no impact on the exchange rates. Monetary policy targets inflation in an economy. Fiscal policy does not have any specific target. Monetary policy has an impact on the borrowing in an economy. Fiscal policy has an impact on the budget deficit.